Morning all from Dynodaze, Championship White FN2 Civic in for map today. Just one little mod on it. Customer wants to keep the noise down, likes induction noise, so we should be mapping it as she is. Going to lower that VTEC, and that's what's going to make the most drastic improvement, I think, on this car. Power in the mid-range. It is lovely, but then again, you guys know that I like the white ones, seeing as I've got one. Could have done with a clean. I'm going to go as far as saying that.
Yeah, you can put that, yeah.
Right, well, customers filling this form in, which is the usual Dynodaze disclaimer, and then we're going to get crack-a-lacking. Oh, it is cold again. Customers keeping us happy today. So there she is, all strapped down on the dyno. We actually use the lower arms strap and then pull into the dyno cell with a ratchet strap. I don't know whether you guys have ever seen that before, but there it is. That's how we do it. Yeah, so on the dyno, so first up, I'm sure you guys already know this, but first up, we're going to do power run as it is. The power run as it is gives us a base point so that we can improve upon that, so that we can see where we're making gains, etc. After the initial power run, then we're going for what we call our base file. So we flash the Ecutek software to the ECU. No need to take the ECU out. No need for an aftermarket ECU or anything like that. We just flash the software via the OBD2 port to the ECU. That's what they call sort of cracked at that point. Then we've got the Ecutek software on there so that we can log. Once we start logging and we've got the base file on, we'll do a power run. That power run will get us in the ballpark of where we want to be to start with. It also allows us, like I say, to data log, etc. Allows us to fine tune. At that point, it's all about power runs on the dyno, and we're getting the features uploaded, and we're doing what we call the fine tuning. The fine tuning allows us to squeeze the most out of the car with the mods that we've got. This car has only got this one modification, so this will be pretty straightforward, this, and we expect to make power in the mid-range, but not necessarily peak power, but the drivability of the car will certainly increase. Yeah, obviously standard cat, standard exhaust system, so it's going to be a quiet one. The majority of the noise we're going to hear from this morning is going to be the induction noise. But okay, that's the start, so as I always say, let's get crack-a-lacking. Okay, so first power run complete, and now we're doing, we've installed the Ecutek software to it. We've got a good starting point as a base file. We're going to run it through its paces on the dyno, checking the AFR, as you can see the leader's in, so make sure that the fueling's okay, and then we're going to start tuning. So this is our first preliminary run, and then we get going. Nice and warm in there, bro.
Yeah, it's set at 22. I think I'm pretty comfortable.
Yeah, I wonder what it is in the dyno cell. It's not 22, is it, mate? My hands are purple.
Jog on the spot a little bit.
Jog on the spot.
You know when you get back in your warm office later and I'm still in the cold workshop?
Yeah.
That's when it will equal out.
Oh, will it? Then there will be balance in the force.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's 8 degrees in the dyno cell right this second. And I'm freezing. Nobody cares about poor Danny. Okay, so plenty of induction noise, but this one is finished for the day. And as you can see, red line is as it came in, blue line as it's leaving. We've made gains across the range, not much peak as expected, because it's a fairly standard car other than the induction kit. But we finish on 206, which is 176 at the wheels. There we go, there's an improvement for you. There's another one done. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Life was pretty fast.